Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a facility inside Emacs uh, which is basically show you the weather report of a specific city with the help of a package called wttrin. Okay, so which is a very popular package, popular functionality, people have been using it, but in this specific video I'm going to show you uh, to see the things inside Emacs, see weather report of a specific city inside Emacs. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into my Emacs, and all I have to do, meta x, and you have to write wttrin, as you can see on the highlighted area in the mini buffer. So if I press enter, now look at the bottom of the screen, it is prompting me to enter the city name. If I go to New York and press enter, and it should show you. See, my internet connection is little laggy, that's why it took some time. So it is showing the weather report of New York City, right? So for instance, in this particular buffer, if you want to see the other cities weather report, all you have to do, press G, look at the bottom of the screen, the enlisted city is prompting you. Now if I go to the next one, if I want to see the weather of London, just select the city and press enter. See, now it is showing the weather report of London. Okay, it's very convenient. You can see the weather report of a specific city inside Emacs, okay, with the help of a package called wttrin. Okay, so let me show you the file, which is very easy and small libs file, source file, so you can easily understand it. So Control X for F, it's in ELPA, and wttrin, and this is the, so here is the source file, which is written by Carl XU. Okay, so, and you can see from the commentary that what it basically do, provides the weather information from wttr.in based on your query condition. Query condition means you need to provide the city. Okay, so it has a dependency of URL and xterm color, which has to be installed beforehand. That's why it is said it is required. Okay, and you can see you can enlist your city here in this array or list. You can provide your city space and then name of the city of your city in a double quote. So when you press G on the interface on the left hand side, the city name you have entered here should be shown. Okay, but because it is a libs file, so if you made any changes, you are supposed to do a byte compile of this file, right, to make Emacs aware that you made a change. Now the changes should get reflected. The changes should only get reflected if you byte compile it again in Emacs lingo. Okay, in general sense, if you made a change, you need to compile the file to get the updation reflected. Okay, so that's what. Now it is clearly stated. It is very easy, right? So it is basically trying to call up this particular URL and padded with the query, whatever the city name, right? and here you can see it is just padding up the queried city name, and finally it is showing you the result. It is a small source file. I'm showing it that you probably tweak it according to your need, according to your requirement. The sole purpose you will be picking on this particular file to add your city which is not already enlisted. Okay, so this product could be a handy if you're sitting inside Emacs and if you want to have a look at the particular word, or you probably traveling to some other country and you want to have a quick look at this while sitting inside Emacs. It's a nice facility, right? So why not tap it? So that's why I'm making this video, to make you aware that you can do that with the help of small package. Okay, so you can get the stuff directly from this. You can see my cursor is hovering on the URL. You can get this particular stuff. See, I have highlighted the URL. You can get it directly from the GitHub to check this out. Okay, super handy thing. I hope it will be useful to some people. That's why I'm making this video, to make you aware that you could use that.